In this video, I want to have a look at depreciation. So if an item decreases in value over time, we say it depreciates. And usually this happens as a percentage. So it depreciates, it loses value as a percentage of its value each year or each time period. So the formula for depreciation is really similar to the formula for compound interest. But instead of gaining money or gaining value every time period, it loses value. So the only difference is we're going to replace the sum, so the plus sign, with a minus sign. So we're going to have its value, so the total amount, is equal to the principal outside of 1 minus r to the power of n. So this is its value after the time periods. So at the end of whatever time period it is. The principal is still the initial value. The rate is the percentage rate it's decreasing by each time period. And our n is still our number of time periods. So things that you might see in real life that depreciate are things like cars or any sort of technology, so computers, mobile phones, all those sorts of things. Anything that you buy and when you go to sell it, it's worth less. So let's have a look at an example. So ours says a laptop was bought for $1,600 and it depreciates by 12% per annum. We want to calculate the expected value of the laptop after 4 years. So that's going to be this amount that we're calculating. So in our formula, we've got A equals P, 1 minus R to the N. In there, this $1,600, that's our P, that's the initial value, depreciating by 12% per annum. So that's a rate of 0.12. And it's happening after 4 years. So that's our N. We're going to substitute those things in. So 1,600 outside of 1 minus 0.12 to the power of 4. Put those in our calculator. And we'll end up with $959.51. So we bought it initially for $1,600 and now it's only worth $959.51. So that's A. B asks us what is the depreciation over time. So that's finding out how much it's decreased by, how much it's depreciated by. So we're finding the difference between the initial value and its new value. So that's going to be 1,600 minus the 959.51. I'll end up with $640.49. So that's how much it's depreciated by. So that's just one example of depreciation.